Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make thumbnail on your Android phone. On your Android phone, go to Play Store. After going to your Play Store page, you see the search bar, type this lab. Okay. After typing your Lab, you see an app like this. Test on your picture. Lab test on your picture. You can see the features. You can make multiple text options by adding and customize text as much as you want. There is 3D test. Create 3D test with ease. There is test effects. Make text your standout. You can add beautiful stickers, add as much as you want. Background remover, remove background from any object you want, and export your video. And you can also change the perspective of your images or your thumbnail or anything or any object you put in your photo. So after installing this app, I will show you how to make simple thumbnail on this app on your Android phone using this app. Okay, let me open the app. So after opening the app, click on the 3 dots by the right top. You click on image size to change the size of the image to the YouTube thumbnail. Click on image size, click on custom. Click on YouTube thumbnail and click OK. So click on the plus sign by the left top and import photo from your gallery. Okay. Click on OK. After importing your photo, drag it, position it anywhere you want, and put this here. Okay. You can lock this position to avoid dragging it around. Lock it. Click on new text to edit the text, to add your text and edit it. You can double click on the new text to add your text, or you click down here the A. Let's erase this to add our text. Thumbnail app. Okay, let me backspace this. Okay, you can click on OK, drag the text around and position it anywhere. As you can see, the text is under this picture we import, so you can change by dragging it, by clicking on this diagonal stuff and drag our text down. As you can see, I did. Yeah. So to edit our text, you can click on styles and click on any styles you want. Styles, browse, and click on any style you want. Drag the text, position it anywhere you want. The next thing is that we can add another text by clicking the plus sign at the left top. You can edit it. Let's type on your Android phone. Okay. Drag it. Let's change it to capital letter. Double click on it to change it to capital letter. Click the double T by the left top and click on OK. You can change the style, drag, position anywhere you want. So you can see the features. You can change the color. Click on color. To add more color, click on the plus sign. Let's click on red. Drag it, position it. Click OK. You can also make the text in 3D. Click on 3D, enabled, scroll. You can drag this line to edit the movements of your text. As you can see, 4 degree, minus 4 degree, minus 2 degree, 0 degree. Click OK. Drag it, position it. This is simple way to make your thumbnail for your YouTube channel. If you like my content, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, so that I will do more app review on Play Store. You can also check out the other features for your thumbnail. As you can see, there are so many backgrounds you can import your photo from your gallery and use it as your background. Click on sticker. There are so many stickers here, as you can see. Click on any stickers you want and put it. You can also input your photo from your gallery and use it as a sticker on for your thumbnail. So save image. The image format, if you want more quality, high quality, you can click on PNG. Click on PNG. You don't need to change the width and height because we already set the image size to YouTube thumbnail. Save to gallery. Save an image. Thank you. So that's your thumbnail picture is in your gallery. You can check it. Please, if you like my content, please kindly subscribe.